I've been involved with Crown Vics and Panther cars for a long time. I have built and owned some of the most badass Panther cars you'll ever lay your eyes on. Alright, so 5-speed swapped bullet Crown Vic, check. Lifted off-road Baja Vic, check. I turned a cut-in-half Lincoln Town Car and turned it into a freaking burnout car. Hell, I even built a Cobra Roush Vic to tackle the freaking mountains of the tail of the dragon. So, why am I telling you guys all of this? Well, because what I'm about to say in this video might actually trigger a lot of you. But I just want you guys to know that I'm speaking from experience. I've been around Panther cars and Crown Vics for a long time. There's a reason they call me the Crown Vic Godfather after all. And with that being said, it's my opinion that in today's stock, we're talking about keyword here, stock Panther car market, I fully believe that the Mercury Marquis LSE with the floor shifter is the best Panther car ever made. Here's why. Wait. I do also want to point out that I did, in fact, at one point own a Mercury Marauder. As a matter of fact, here's a quick clip of it losing a drag race to a fully gutted Crown Vic. Now that actually is very important, but I'll touch base with that towards the end of the video.
Wood has the sport handling of a Mercury Marauder, durability of a police interceptor, and the luxury of a Lincoln Town Car all rolled into one car. Nothing combines all those elements into one package. Well, actually, only one car does, and that's the Mercury Marquis LSE. Alright, so let's dive right in. Now, the model years you're going to want is between 2003 and 2004. Let's start with what's under the hood. You get the standard Ford 4.6 liter 2-valve V8. However, it came with a new engine knock sensor that allows the engine computer to set the optimum spark advance for operating conditions. It also came with a 20% larger 6-quart oil pan, which extends the life of the engine oil. It also came with a new variable speed engine cooling fan, which was quieter overall than the previous 2-speed fan. And last but not least, it also came equipped with a Marauder airbox, which bumped up the HP. And to add even more power, just like the Marauder, the LSE featured true dual exhaust. As far as the drivetrain goes, you get a 4-speed auto with the tried and true 4R70W automatic transmission, with an ECU tuned for firmer, crisper shifts. Also, the 03 model year featured a 327 gear ratio, tied all in with a sport suspension straight out of the Marauder, with independent front and air ride shocks in the back, along with upgraded sway bars. Now, like I said at the beginning of the video, these cars are rare. Only about 3,000 2003 model year LSEs were produced in the US and Canada. So to say this car is rare AF would be a massive understatement. With that being said, there are a few ways to identify a true Mercury LSE. You see, the LSE was a handling and performance package version of the Grand Marquis. Unfortunately, there isn't a designated VIN number attached with this package, but there is a few ways to identify if you're in the presence of one of these unicorns. For starters, we have the ultra rare LSE floor mats that came standard with all LSE models, along with a set of 16-inch lacy spoke chrome wheels. And lastly, the floor mounted shifter is the icing on top. All these features, along with a price tag that's nearly twice as cheap as a Marauder, isn't the only reason I say this is the best stock Panther car money can buy. But the fact that this came with the tried and true 2-valve with a few life improvement changes not only gave it enough power to get out of its own way, but reliability as well. Where the Marauder struggles with its underpowered, heavy, and unreliable Ford parts bin 4-valve engine it came with, the Grand Marquis LSE combined the best features of the modern Panther cars and put it all into one car. And right now, as I speak, there's still a few thousands left of these Panther unicorns, scattered throughout Canada and the US, sitting parked in a garage somewhere, collecting dust, owned by an 80-year-old grandma. What's that, Grandma? Is that a cough I hear? Thanks for watching.